The magic behind pinch up. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun English phrase, pinch up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. To truly grasp the essence of pinch up, we must first understand its literal meaning. Pinch is a verb that refers to the action of grasping something, usually with your thumb and forefinger, and applying pressure. Imagine picking up a small object like a bead or a grain of rice. That action is a pinch. Up, on the other hand, indicates a direction or position that is higher. So, when combined, pinch up might sound like you're lifting something tiny to a higher position. However, in colloquial English, this phrase might have different connotations. In everyday language, pinch up isn't commonly used as a standalone phrase with a widely recognized idiomatic meaning. However, you might encounter it in various contexts where the words are used together. For instance, can you pinch up the fabric a bit? This could mean gathering and lifting a portion of the fabric. I saw him pinch up his face. This suggests someone might have made a facial expression by squeezing or scrunching up their features. It's essential to understand the context to grasp the intended meaning fully. To provide a broader perspective, let's touch on some related phrases. 1. Pinch off. This typically means to remove a part of something by pinching, like pinching off a piece of dough. 2. Pinch together. This can mean to bring two things close together using a pinching motion, like pinching the ends of a rope together. 3. At a pinch. An idiom meaning, if absolutely necessary, or in a tight situation. While these phrases include the word pinch, their meanings can vary based on the context and the words they're paired with. And there you have it. While pinch up might not be a standard idiomatic phrase, understanding its components and possible usages can enhance your English comprehension. Remember, language is dynamic, and phrases can take on different meanings based on context. We hope this video helps clarify things for you. Until next time, happy learning!